Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 4 update with Nicole. So how's going, Nicole, so far?
Good. I actually feel like I got through it and I didn't cheat. I was still able to stick to what I needed to do, but just had to have a little bit more food.
That's good. And overall, did you lose any weight?
I still lost a pound.
That's not bad.
No,
Okay, and how much weight overall did you lose?
7.
7. Okay, that's really good. Right?
Yeah, and I had like some bad days, so.
Yeah. And did you find it like very stressful over the last 4 weeks since we started, like when it comes to losing weight, or?
No, I don't find I'm focused on it. I don't
Yeah.
feel like it's pulling at me in any way. It's
Yeah.
just eating better.
Very good. In general, do you have like more positive image about fasting? or-
Yeah, I feel really good on it. I don't feel hungry.
Okay, so I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you next week.
Thank you,
Okay,
me too.
thank you.
Yes.